a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
From the 4, but I love me a threesome. DM a delete this shit, my little secret. Tryna dish me to blow up, I peep it. I can't respond with just do what you people. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper, I dig it. My shovel won't be in, I was broke, had to fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with a little fish. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look good, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bands, and I bet you this gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin', but I'll send the hit while I chill with my children. Bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strat, and I caught up. They call for my artists, they making me offers. I don't even bargain, I start from the bottom. I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave them 4 burgers and 1 for a startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my guard up. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that ain't thought of.
Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they 10s. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's, got a lot of M's on my mind. And my friends, yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
Oh, that's nuts, man.
Sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now, baby. trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say we doing all this and all that? When he tell the story, that's not how it went. Know they be lying 100%. Moved out the rest of the private man. How they just call me to tell me come get it. How that boy off and I don't want no credit. If it was me, I wouldn't regret it. Never even did it, and now they won't get it. Yeah. All this still beating, my niggas still eating. Can't go to look like they want to eat it. Hello, talk better, spilling the tea. And shorty came back and said she didn't mean it. It's hard to believe it. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. When they had it, they were like, damn, baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down. Baby, we took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that?
Here go all your problems again. 3, 2, 1, you pin. Uncle now he back in the pen. Auntie shut down again. Did she finally come to life? Ever wish you had another life? Ever wish you had another life? Ever wish you had another life? Wish the night would go long. I've been feeling low for so long. I ain't had a high in so long. I've been in the dark for so long. Night is always darkest for the dawn. Gotta make my mark before I'm gone. I don't want that long. I don't want that long. I get mad when she gone. Mad when she home. Sad when she gone. Mad when she home. Sad when she gone. Floating on a silver lining. Yeah, you know where to find me. Riding on a silver lining. And my God won't deny me. Tell the devil get behind me. All the stars are aligned. Lift me up every time. You know exactly where to find me. Did those ideas ever really come to life? Make it all come to life. Make it all come to life. Praying for a change in your life. Well, maybe it's gonna come tonight. Santa said you in again. 3, 2, 1, you pin. Uncle right back in the pen. Tell me how auntie been. Took your thoughts and penciled them in. Should've wrote them down in pen. And maybe they'll come to life. And maybe they'll come to life. Santa said you in again.
Baby, you're looking fine. I have you open all night like your eye. I take you home, baby, let you keep me company. You give me some of you, I give you some of me. You look good, baby, must taste heavenly. I'm pretty sure that you got your own recipe. So pick it up, yeah, like you. I just can't get enough, I gotta drive through. Cause it's me, you, me, you. All night, have it drunk, wait, let me get my ticket, baby, let me get it. The way you like it, baby, super size. Hold on, you yours, let me get it. Been to the turn up with the clothes, I check it.
Take my booty, cause your body like a hurricane. Take your body till you hear me. Turn me on, baby, don't you hurt me. Take my booty, cause your body like a hurricane. Take your body till it's turn me on, baby, don't you hurt me. Turn me on, listen, don't you hurt me. number threes. That's a whole lot of you and a side of me. Now is it full of myself to want you full of me? And if it's room for dessert, then I want a piece. Baby, get my order right, no errors. I'ma touch you in all the right areas. I can feed you, you can feed me. Girl, deliver that to me, come see me. Cause it's me, you, me, you, all night. Have it your way, foreplay before I feed your appetite. Do you like it well done? Cause I do it well. Cause it's well seasoned, you couldn't tell. Now let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Say, take my order cause your body like a carry out. You let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Take my order cause your body like a carry out. And let me walk into your body till it's turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Take my order cause your body like a carry out. Let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Take my order cause your body walk into your body till it's turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you cut me out. Take my order cause your body like a carry out. Let me walk into your body till you hear me out. Turn me on, my baby, don't you.
Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I'm doing a review for MegaLook hair, and today I'm reviewing this beautiful brown unit from them. It is a 13x4 unit, but I did cut bangs into this unit just to give it a different kind of vibe. I was gonna leave it like regular and just do like some curls to the side, but I was like, I haven't worn bangs in a minute and I really want some bangs, so here we are. Such great quality, like I absolutely love it. Like look at the flow to it, look how it moves. It's not stiff whatsoever. It's tangle free. It doesn't shed at all. Like I don't have any hair that's just like falling out all over the place. As you guys can see, there's no hair falling out. It's just a really, really nice unit. I love wearing chocolate hair. I think chocolate hair on chocolate skin is just a win-win. Like it just looks really good. Like it just complements us so well. I really like how this color complements deeper skin tones. I feel like it was literally made for us. It's like our version of blonde hair. You know how like lighter skin girls, they love to wear like really bright platinum blonde hair. I think chocolate girls and chocolate brown hair is like so fire, and you literally cannot go wrong. Like you wouldn't ideally think like, oh, let me rock the brown hair, but honestly, like girl, you need to try it out if you haven't tried it yet. This is how it looks on me, and you guys see like it's so fire. So I did want to come up just a little bit closer so you guys can really get a good look at the color and everything. You guys can see what this color is giving. It is definitely giving. Now I want to say this, I have not worked with MegaLook too many times. I do remember working with him before, but it's very like few far in between. You know, I don't work with them very often, but I will say that I am pretty impressed with the quality of this unit. I think the unit is very gorgeous. It's not like a bunch of flyaways everywhere. As you guys can see, I didn't have to like put a bunch of oil on my hair to get the flyaways to go away or anything like that. Like it's just bomb all by itself. So I really do like the smoothness of it all. It's not frizzy. I did use this titanium plate flat iron that goes up to 480 degrees. This flat iron is absolutely amazing. It gets your hair silky straight, as you guys can see. I absolutely love it. And you can also bump your bangs with it. It curls hair as well, so if you need to curl your hair, it does that as well. You guys can kind of see what it looks like in the inside. And this thing gets extremely hot, so be very careful that you don't burn burn yourself. Although it's cute, it actually works, okay? So if you're looking for a flat iron that gets the job done, this is gonna be the one for you, because not only can you flat iron your hair, but you can also curl it as well. Also, in today's video, this is the hot comb that I use. I did want to show you guys that this piece is actually removable. I know some people may wonder, like, what is this? But this is the hot comb. This part does come off, and this is the hot comb that you have underneath. This goes up to 500 degrees. It does have a digital display here, so you can see exactly, you know, how hot it is. And this thing is extremely hot. I really do like it. It got my hair so flat, like super flat, y'all. So flat. If you guys are interested in either one of these, make sure you check out the description box down below, because I will have a direct link for both of them. But nonetheless, you guys, this is a finished look. I'm not sure how many inches this is, but I want to say this is probably about like a 24-inch or something like that. That's usually what I go for. This is my belly button, and this is where it's hitting me in the front. So one other thing that I did want to mention is the fact that this unit is a true 13x4 unit. It is a full-on frontal. I know a lot of times when we get these units, they have more of like that horseshoe kind of frontal. You only get like a little space on the edges, and then that's like pretty much it. But this unit, you have a full frontal. So if you want to, you can part it anywhere. You can do really deep parting spaces. This unit, you can still wear it as like a half up, half down if you wanted to, with the bangs. So that's also an option. I also wanted to let you guys know that this unit does also come with an elastic band. It is not removable. You could cut it out. It's not like the removable kind where you can kind of like clip it in and clip it off. It's not that kind of elastic band. This one is actually sewn into the unit. So if you want to, you can definitely do like a glueless install. But if you have a smaller head or a petite head like myself, I do want to let you guys know that that elastic band will actually cause your lace to buckle. So it won't lay as flat. Just be mindful of that it will buckle if you have like a smaller head. But if you have like a normal size head, it's not a problem. But for me, I have a very petite head. So for me, it's just like it was buckling. So I did have to like reapply my lace twice, you know, to make sure that it was flat. I did it the second time, you know, off camera, because I was noticing like it was buckling all right here. That's also kind of the reason, if I can be honest, that's kind of the reason why I decided to do the bangs, because I'm like, you know, my lace is buckling. It's not laying as flat as I want it to. As far as the melt on this lace, the melt is okay. It's not the best. But other than that, I do enjoy the unit overall, and I think a lot of you guys will too. All in all, I really do like this unit. I think a lot of you guys will like it as well. So if you are interested, make sure you do check out that description box down below for a direct link to this unit, along with all the details to this hair. If there was something that I didn't cover and you still have a question, go ahead and drop a comment down below, and I'll get to you as soon as I can. I want to give a big thank you to our sponsor, MegaLook, for sponsoring today's video and sending over this gorgeous 13x4 unit. And of course, I want to thank all of you guys for showing me so much love and support. And I will see all of you beautiful people in my next one.